How to attach photos to email on iPhone. So the problem here is quite simple. If you open up your Apple Mail application here, you want to attach a photo. Now you long press on the body of the email and then you simply swipe right until you see insert photo or video. And when you do that, you can send an image, but they don't get attached, they get embedded into the body of the screen. But I want this not to interfere with the main, and then I want this to be at the bottom so that the text and everything is readable. But that is not achievable through Apple Mail app. So for this, instead of using Apple Mail, just use Gmail. Log into your respective account. It could also be iCloud, the same account you use on Apple Mail, because Gmail app is just a medium of mail application. You can log into Yahoo, Outlook, or whichever. Now over here, in order to send a picture or attach a photo, you just have to tap on this little link option here and then just select that particular image. But again, you can see the same old story, that is that it is being attached, it is being embedded instead of attached. So if you want to actually attach it at the bottom, just tap on it. Then over here you can select that, you can send as attachment instead. So now when you tap on send as attachment, it will get sent as an attachment. Now the other way to do this is, if you want to automatically send it as an attachment, you have to actually select multiple pictures. So when you select multiple pictures here, it will actually automatically get sent as an attachment instead of being embedded into the body of the screen. So this is the way that you can do it. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.